In the past 9 years, Bitcoin has helped thousands of regular people achieve financial independence, retire early, and live the lifestyle of their dreams. Students, teachers, delivery drivers, even stay-at-home moms. These and other regular people with no special training have made an absolute killing trading digital currencies. How much are we talking here? This much. The price of Bitcoin has increased over 137,735% since 2011. That is thousands of times better than the stock market average. If you'd invested just $1,000 in Bitcoin back in 2011, you'd have more than $1 million in the bank today. Some people have even become US dollar millionaires by investing in Bitcoin. People like Satoshi Nakamoto. People like Eric Finman. People like Christopher Koch. People just like you who had the chance to invest and took massive action. But if you're new to Bitcoin trading or making money online, don't worry. There's still time to get in on the action because in 3 minutes, I'm going to show how you can start trading Bitcoin now with nothing but a laptop and a computer connection. This offer is only open to 35 people. So make sure you fill out the form on the right as soon as you're done watching this presentation. Just a few minutes could mean the difference between riding the wave of Bitcoin profits and missing out forever.
Hi Joe. I just wanted to say that when I joined the Bitcoin method, I had a measly $100 in my account and now I'm making over $14,000 a day. Thanks a million.
$15,000 in only one trading day? I can hardly believe it. But when the check cleared in my bank account the very next day, I went off and ordered my third vacation for this year. You're the best, Joel.
Wow, thanks a million, Joe. I thought the Bitcoin party was over, but the money in my bank account tells a different story. I've never seen this much money before in my life.
You just heard from 3 people who joined my first beta test and got paid cash money for trading Bitcoin with my software. And today, you have the opportunity to become one of them. And as one of those chosen, you can get started today for free. Yes, free, as in nada, zip, $0. That's because I have absolutely nothing to sell you today. All I want to do is show you how I'm making money trading Bitcoin and how you can replicate my results, even if you have no experience trading whatsoever. But let me make one thing clear. I'm not doing this out of the goodness of my heart. There is something in this for me. I'll explain what that is and why I'm speaking to you in just a minute. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Joe Templeton. I'm a former hacker turned investor and software developer. Until last year, investing was the furthest thing from my mind. Computer security was more my style. In my spare time, I had learned cryptography at college by breaking into computers containing sensitive data. I could break over 24 passwords in a day, one for every hour. And I saved my encryption-breaking algorithm on a disk at my office. I had access to billions of dollars worth of insights, which could easily be converted into an automated system for breaking passwords. There was just one problem. I needed buyers. There was no way I was going to steal data. I've always considered myself a white hat above-board hacker, and theft was not something I was prepared to do. But selling to other hackers? Why not? So, in mid-2012, I posted about my exploits on a major hacking forum online. I explained the methods I used to break passwords at some of the world's biggest companies. The post was an instant viral hit and got spread all over the internet. At the same time, people were also commenting this new digital currency that seemed to be making everyone rich. They said it was a new form of money that would break the Federal Reserve's stranglehold on banking and create a new class of multimillionaire adopters. That trend, it turned out, was Bitcoin. People on the websites wanted to know if I could exploit Bitcoin like I had the security systems. If I could hack the Bitcoin system for immediate profit. One particular buyer offered to give me over $1 million if I could turn his hack into a working software prototype. Well, I accepted the challenge and I got to work. I used my old library account to research everything on Bitcoin I could find. I devoured the blockchain algorithm. I studied ICOs. I became an expert in just about everything cryptocurrency. It wasn't long before I knew enough to actually identify loopholes that would allow me to exploit the system for my own benefit. So I put the information to the test. I put a small investment of $250 into Bitcoin using my phone's Coinbase app. Within a day, that $250 had grown to $15,551, and I saw similar results almost every day for the next month. Eventually, I saw the initial investment I made rise to well over $250,000 and counting. I knew I was onto something here. Bitcoin was clearly the real deal, but I also knew that most regular everyday people didn't know anything about it. I tried to get a few friends to buy Bitcoins through Coinbase, but they simply didn't understand. Each day, my BTC kept going higher and higher while my friends stayed stuck on the ground. No matter how much I told them about the money I made, they just shook their heads. I thought to myself, how many people out there want to buy Bitcoin but can't figure out how or don't have the time? So instead of telling them how I was doing it, I started working on a new software application named the Bitcoin Method. The idea was simple: an automated bot for trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that runs in your browser. So instead of having to open a Coinbase account or deal with ATM withdrawals, you just fund your account and the bot trades for you on autopilot. Here's how it works. Step 1, fill out the form to the right of the page. Step 2, fund your account. Step 3, turn on auto trading. Step 4, come back later to see how much money you made. In our first beta testing round, we found that testers were making upwards of $12,000 a day on average, and the sky is the limit. Okay, so now let me show you how it looks in real time. Okay, we are here, and as you can see, it's an automated trading room with a dashboard, trading history, list of open trades, and settings. So first, I'll go ahead and make a deposit with my active broker. I'll put in a small amount like $250 to play it safe. Now I'll click Turn Auto Trading On, and we're set. The system is ready to start trading and making money for us. We don't need to do anything else. So let's log in 24 hours and see what happened. All right, welcome back. 24 hours has elapsed, and as you can already see, a huge difference. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, you can see that's $14,562.23 in my trading account now. That's all from the trade I placed yesterday and closed before restarting the video. Just 1 day of trading. If you trade several times a week, you can make even more than that. How much more? Picture this. There are 30 days in November. In this video, I've already shown you how you can make over $14,000 in just a day of trading with Bitcoin Method. If you continue trading every day this month, that's more than $420,000 in profit to make this month. The first round of beta testing for Bitcoin Method was already a huge success. Now we just need a second round beta test to prove that these results can be replicated. I'm speaking to several potential buyers who will pay top dollar for the system if they're satisfied that my results can be replicated. To do that, I'll be needing volunteers to trade with my system. Here's where you come into it. I am personally inviting you to the second public beta testing round for this special software launch. We've already conducted successful testing with one group of testers from all walks of life, ordinary people like teachers, office workers, and retirees. All they have in common is that they've visited a page like this one and decided to take a journey that has taken them to $250,000, $500,000, even $1 million and beyond. You can start on the same journey today, and the best part, it'll cost you nothing to participate in this round of beta tests. You'll need to supply a small amount of trading capital for your investments, but there is no cost to access the Bitcoin Method software whatsoever. Any trading you do is on your own time and schedule. All you need to do is fill out the form on this page, verify your contact info, and make a small initial trading deposit. Then, you're all ready to go. Instead of worrying about exchange rates and withdrawal locations, you can trade Bitcoins from the comfort of home. So, the next time you read Bitcoin in the news, you'll have a 50% gain sitting in your account instead of wishing you'd taken action earlier. But hurry, this offer is open to 35 participants only, and I can't guarantee that the current Bitcoin rally will last long. If you want to get in on this while it's still open and while Bitcoin is still going good, The time to act is now. Don't miss the latest millionaire-making Bitcoin rally. Enter your name and email address in the form opposite to get started today. I can't wait to see you on the other side.